Uh, these are our melting machines used in the textile area to take the fusing from the products under the products by melting it. These are our heat press machines used in every areas of the textile, mostly the fusing press and heat transfer presses. This is the steamed model. This prevents the fabric to have the signs of it. This is without seam, but our automatic presses. This allows our customers to have benefit of the automatic presses. They will reduce the cost by using less labor. Coming to here, our fusing press machines started. This is our bench type machines. It is used for fusing press and other kind of heat transfers also. Bench types machines are commonly used for the smaller areas such as short collars and other kind of belts, let's say. We have different sizes of it, such as 40, 60 and 80 centimeters. These are our heat press machines, but these are the manuals. I can show it this way. Two different person or one person in the with the two field can work on this. These are the manual products, and coming here, these are our fusing press machines. Compact model is a short tunnel and the cooling system on the exit. We use the best Teflon seamless belts. These are the best products in the market. And coming here, our biggest machines, basically used for fusing and other kind of heat presses. We have 22 resistances and the cooling in the exit. All of them has the best electricity materials in the market. So we are known as best manufacturer in the Turkish market.